Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to apply hyaluronic acid cream on your face. Start with clean, damp skin to maximize hydration. Use a gentle cleanser and pat dry, leaving slight moisture. Apply a light hydrating toner or mist so the cream can lock in water. Make sure hands are clean and nails are trimmed to avoid irritation. This prep step creates the best base for hyaluronic acid to perform. Apply a pea-sized amount of hyaluronic acid cream to your fingertips and warm it slightly. Dab small dots across forehead, cheeks, nose, chin, and neck. Use gentle upward strokes and light pats rather than rubbing to avoid stretching skin. Concentrate on dry areas and the skin barrier, not active breakouts. Let the product absorb for a minute before layering other treatments or sunscreen for optimal hydration and comfort. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. I also suggest the Echo Dot smart speaker to bring ambience and hands-free timers while you follow skincare steps, which makes routines easier and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Layering matters. Hyaluronic acid cream should go on after water-based serums and before thicker moisturizers or oils. If you use other actives, apply them first and let each absorb briefly. In the morning, always follow with broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect the hydrated layer. At night, seal with a richer cream if needed. Consistent use twice daily can improve skin plumpness and comfort when combined with proper layering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.